check out this motorhome. It's got a keyless entry, door lock, 360 camera with infrared LEDs, doorbell, intercom, security camera, and this wicked paint job. On the entry, I have a backlit Marathon Coach logo, curved carbon fiber handrail, underlit LEDs, a leather wrapped dash, two-tone leather seat. It's built on a Prevost chassis, and we have a Crestron touchpad control center. As we move towards our living area, our TV comes down from the ceiling. Both of these chairs massage. We have a nightstand with some additional storage underneath, a super comfortable leather chair that also reclines. We also have a fireplace, iPad launch port system, and a Samsung TV. Underneath the TV, we have a pull-out drawer with some additional storage, a multi-plug, this ottoman that has some storage underneath, a super comfy couch that also turns into a bed. In our kitchen area, we have this glass art cabinet, filtered water spigot, stainless steel sink, solid surface countertops, GE convection microwave oven, Miele dual induction cooktop, great storage underneath with a light, and Fisher & Paykel dishwasher. Underneath our dinette, we have some additional storage, and above storage as well. We have this control panel, another little art display, this U-shaped dinette, and when I click this button, it expands. Across from our dinette, we have a fridge and freezer combo with some wine storage above and plenty of space below. Across from that, we have our pantry with plenty of pull-out drawers. And in our mid-bath, we have floor-to-ceiling tile work, a backlit mural, a rain shower head with an additional faucet, and then we have a hammered sink, mirrored medicine cabinet, a TV, and a body-length mirror. In our master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet with a bar overhead, some additional storage drawers, a wall cabinet, and then across from there, we have this armoire with a shoe organizer and storage drawers underneath. We have a king bed, a large port iPad system, control panel, a multi-plug. We also have a hammered sink with a tiled backsplash, mirrored medicine cabinet, and a Samsung TV. In the rear of the coach, I have a stackable ASCO washer and dryer, another clothes rod, media center, and a perfect spot for shoes. This 2019 Prevost Marathon X3-45 is here and available at the Motorcoach store in Bradenton, Florida for $1,333,333. If you're interested, give us a call.